Hello, good morning, afternoon, or evening. Welcome back to the channel once again. And if it's your first time here, my name is Gigo, and today we have a vlog for you, right? So we have Madam Fatima in Ghana, her first time visiting Ghana. So he came around to check on her project. I mean, for those of you that have been following us for some time now, I believe that most of you know Madam Fatima. If you want to get to know her, if you go to my playlist, you see her name there, Madam Fatima, and she also has her own YouTube channel that you can follow her journey in Ghana, and also, the amazing project she is also doing here in Ghana, right? So, I mean, this is Mr. Kwete's site. So, we will begin from here, right? So, this is Mr. Kwete's blog factory. I mean, once again, if you are a Gigo fan, I mean, you know this location, you know the staircase. If you want something like this, let us know and then we will be of help. If you want to buy building materials, right? I mean, cement, sand, stones, and also the blocks, right? All kinds of sizes. Mr. Kwete is your guy. We are located at Dowenya, right behind the football park. Mr. Kwete runs a chop bar as well. He has a sport bar where we call him a mini, let me say a mini restaurant. Also runs a mobile money business. I mean, Mr. Kwete is a businessman, right? So, for those of you that thinks, Gigo Production Group, we are here to scam people and all that. I mean, we have nowhere to go, right? When we take your something, you can easily locate us here, right? So, this is Mr. Kwete's site. It's been a while. We actually saw, this place on the channel. So, if you are building around Ningo Pram Pram, Chopoli, Dawa, Afienya, Dowenya, even in Accra, East Legon, Mr. Kwete can do the supply, to your site. So that is number on the screen. Please get in touch with Mr. Kwete. We also have another branch like this at Chopoli, right, near the affordable housing. So if you are all the way to Dawa, going to Ada and all that, I mean, we can also do supply in that area. Ningo, Shah Hills and all that. I mean, we have branches all across, right? So get in touch with Mr. Kwete. So let's get back to today's video. Like I said, it is a vlog video of Madam Fatima coming to Ghana. So I would like to keep it real, right? I mean, I'm not going to edit it. I'm going to leave it the way they recorded it with all the sound so that we get her impression and also, I mean, how she sees things, right? So it's going to be in two parts. This is going to be part one. So the part two will come, next week. So if you want to see more, if you go to my playlist, Madam Fatima, you will get the latest update, right? So let's get back to today's video.
Right. See my face.
Oh no, I got it.
If you took a maybe take maybe 15 cities. See my face. See my face. You know where they bomb me for. Come, look at give you 30 cities, then go.
big window.
Yeah, that's a big one.
That's a big window.
Yeah.
That's a big window. Beautiful backyard. This is one plot. Nice.
Nice.
Living area.
Yeah, nice.
Like I say, over there, dining area.
Yeah.
Small kitchen and sink.
Then that's the story, right?
Yeah, that's the storeroom in the back. Now, this is a significant crack.
I think the earthquake.
The earthquake, we did have an earthquake here. So this is like a, you know, I love to read, like maybe a small library, computer room,
So that'd be a little office, right?
a little office, computer room, bookshelf,
Oh, okay.
bathroom.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is a Gifty. Look, Gifty over there. Mama, you not coming in the house? Mama. Look at her smiling from all the way over there. This is one bedroom. This is look how big this bedroom
Oh,
is.
this is very, so this your
Guest bedroom or
and that would be the wardrobe, right?
yes, a wardrobe right there. And but this is plenty nice.
Yeah.
Mama, come in, come. And then of course it goes upstairs,
Well,
and there's a balcony where my bedroom is upstairs,
upstairs. Okay.
and a balcony,
Oh, that's
two
nice.
bedrooms upstairs and two baths upstairs.
Oh, shit. Oh,
Open
that's nice.
concept. Chris, you know what I want to do with it.
Yeah. I know what you want to do.
The stairs are somewhere right in here.
Okay, the stairs should be somewhere.
They go up. Stairs will go up into two, like I say, two bedrooms, two baths, and all of this would just be open.
Oh.
From upstairs, you would look over into.
Oh, to this place.
To
Oh,
this
that's
place.
nice.
That's
That's
really
really nice.
And like I say, this is a massive lot. You know,
Yeah.
pretty big size lot.
So how much is your plot? What's the size of your plot?
70 by 100, or maybe 100
Oh, so
by
it's a one
100.
plot.
It's one plot.
Okay, 100 by 100.
I believe so. Or 70 by 100. It's like 100 on all three sides, and then I think it's 70.
Oh.
I think we were still negotiating about getting that little 30 by something right at the very end.
30 by
down there.
70.
Yeah, it's very, but that wasn't included in this.
Oh, okay.
But hopefully, but it's still a massive. It goes all the way out there. I'm responsible for this.
Oh,
I'm responsible for upkeeping the property every time. Ursula and her friend did it. How long ago now, Ursula?
I think about 4 months.
4 months
4
ago,
months,
and it's
oh,
grown back so much. So yeah, I got to send more money and have it done. But when I tell you, this is what I call a window.
yeah.
Man, this is what I call a window. This is what I call a window.
I get it. I get it.
And I want to thank you all so much for bringing me here, guys. I'm so excited. I'm not ignoring you guys. I'm just taking it in because, man, what a journey. I was just thinking about my husband was looking forward to seeing me. Here you go, precious.
She's taking a video, a picture.
Oh,
You and Nana.
This was a video. I'm being done.
Come on, mommy. Mommy. Hey!
Oh,
I am precious. Yes, I am. Oh, my eyes looking like this. Get this. She was determined to take some air out of there. Look at her pretty tennis shoes.
So we say welcome to Ghana, Madam Fatima. We hope and pray that you have a wonderful stay here in Ghana. And to you, the viewers, I mean, we will be updating you with this particular project on, moving forward with this project, right? So stay tuned for that. Like I said, Madam Fatima has her own channel, so maybe if you follow her, you'll get more details because she can go more into details about what she wants to do with this particular project, right? So you saw the drone shot earlier on. I mean, it's been a journey with this particular project. So I mean, I have a drive through, right, of the estate that you just saw. So Madam, this is the houses in front of Madam Fatima's uh, project. I mean, we are in Dowenya, Temakom to 25, just Adom Estate, behind Adom Estate. That's where Madam Fatima land is. And these are the houses, what is happening, the construction, which is happening here at the place. So, I mean, if you're someone who is interested to, buy a house, or, I mean, you want to live in Com 25, there are houses here. I mean, this is a disclaimer. I have not been paid to advertise these projects. I mean, I'm just driving through. As you can see, we are just driving through, and I decided to make this video to show you viewers, because I always show the drone shot from afar, right? So this is how the layout looks like. You can see it has a drainage. I mean, it's a very good layout, right? And you saw in front of Madam Fatima's project also that we've also done the drainage there, which is the gutter, right? And by the way, we sold the land for Madam Fatima, took her through the process of registration the land, I mean, the planning and everything, right? So if you're interested and you want to start your dream project, let us know, and then we will take it from there, right? So next episode, I mean, it is the Pram Pram project. How can it be done without not visiting the Pram Pram project? So Madam Fatima came to pay us a visit on my personal project. So that video is also coming. So just stay tuned for that as well, right? I did mention that it is 2 episodes, but I think I'm going to make it 3 because I'll add the drive through also. So if you want to see more of this area, I mean, we have plots of land going for sale, which is about like 7-minute drive from Madam Fatima's location. It is in the same vicinity. Let me know. If you go to my playlist also, you'll see those videos there, which is called the buying of the land. The videos and the price and everything is there, right? But then in my next episode, I will talk more about that, right? So stay tuned for that. So then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next episode.